This is going to be the unboxing for the Teus Pro. Let's get into it. This comes in an ordinary cardboard box.
So first we got our new panel here, and this is going to replace the old factory panel. This one's a lot bigger and can fit that 10.2 inch screen, and it makes it look flush. Okay, now we're going to start getting into the wires that they sent us. So the first wires are going to be our power wires with the CAN bus decoder. That's going to make it easy integration into your factory system. And next we're going to have the screws for the head unit, and then we're also going to have the GPS antenna. And these are going to be your camera wires. So they sent us two cameras, so one for the back and one for the front. And then so here are all the wires for it. That's for the tail light in the back to easily fit your camera in there, the trigger wires along with the camera, and the AV input buttons for your camera. That way it tells your system when to turn on the car camera and it will show it up on the screen. Now let's get into the actual head unit. So the head unit came pretty well packaged, everything's sealed pretty tightly. As you can see, it's a beautiful 10.2 inch screen. Let's start ripping this off. Just slides out of its packaging. You can see just such a great looking screen. I'm so excited to put it in. This is the back side. It's got the fan, all the inputs, the power inputs, has a fuse, the antenna for the radio and the GPS and the 4G chip. So let's see what else they got for us. Looks like this little envelope with, I think those are the instructions to install it, and a screen cleaner, and like a product card for their company. And here are the instructions. It's in really easy to read Russian, I think, so doesn't really help me much there. And then more diagrams. At least they had a picture so I can kind of see what I'm doing, but still in Russian. Gonna have to use a lot of Google Translate for that.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for my next video. I'll be showing you guys how to put this in your car and how to install everything. So please leave a comment, like, and subscribe.